One quick note before we get into the website design is that if you come over here on the left-hand side and you click on print materials, here's where you have your flyers, and we've already looked at how to edit them. But if you don't like any of the standard templates, you can actually go over here and click add a flyer, and you can pick from several more options, even different orientations, and then start customizing those. So what you would do is just say you liked this one here, walnut. We'll click on that, and now it's going to add that to our panel, and we can start going in and customizing that just like we did the other one. All right, so let's get into the site design. What we want to do first is let's get into the site data. The site data is the most important thing because this is what's going to populate all of the website, the videos, and all of the other marketing materials. So, excuse me, come on in here and fill out all the information that you need to put in, your property location here, your listing price, all of that good stuff, property features, anything you want to put. You can just copy paste this over from all of your other work that you've done previously in preparation for listing. And once you do that, everything will be populated with the correct info. And then we come down here to site design. I've already set the default as Apollo White, but if you like to check out some of the other styles, you can just select design style. Here we go. And you can actually click through, say you like that website, but you want a different color scheme. That would all happen right there. Or you can check one of these other totally different formats, something like that. So I'm going to leave this one on Apollo White because that's the one I like. Down here, you've got your web addresses. You can actually change this right here if you'd like. And then you can actually select your background music. All of these are royalty-free stock tracks. And you can go through and find one you like. There's plenty to choose from. You can even upload your own custom music track. We just ask that you make sure you have the rights to it or hit surprise me. So the last thing we want to look at is back here on the home page on your dashboard. I've already covered this in a previous video, but there is a referral code that you can use to give to a fellow agent where they can post that as they're checking out, and you'll get a $20 credit towards your next order. So you do enough of this, you can get a free shoot, which is cool. All right, so the first time that you set up your account, it's really important that you come over here to account, and here you have all your info, and you'll put in your phone number, that sort of thing. Account photos, this is where you would put probably your headshot, so I'll go ahead and upload that there. And then down here on the logos, there's an option for a vertical logo like this one, and there's an option for a horizontal logo like this one. And it will use those in your different designs as it sees fit. So filling all that out is important. You can also put your default design and flyer down here for the website. Again, I would recommend the Apollo White for your website design, and for flyer, I would use Birch. But there's lots of good ones in there. And then default thumbnail image, just this very first one here. All right. Then you just want to make sure all the rest of your info is filled in, your website, your brokerage, license number, anything like that, your title, realtor, associate broker, whatever you are, put that there, and your social media links. And then from this point forward, that's just always going to be set. You won't have to go through this process again unless you change brokerages or something like that. So that'll make that pretty simple. The last thing we're going to look at is this reports section where you can actually come in here and look at your purchase history. And this will show you all of the shoots that you've ordered with us. You can download the invoices, or you can download a .csv file for tax purposes and your accounting. So that makes that really handy.